Hello everyone. Now we are going to look into Standard 8 Chapter 2 Measurements. Exercise 2.2 Sum 2. The given sum is find the area of the shaded part of the following figures. Pi is equal to 3.14. Here two questions are given. In the first question you can see a square. You can see a square shape is there and the length of the side of the square is 10 centimeters it is given. You can see here this is the shaded part. You can see the shape of this shaded part is a quadrant. Like this you can see here 4 quadrants are there. So you have to find the area of these 4 quadrants. And here in the second question you can see a semicircle. A semicircle shape is given and inside the semicircle a triangle is given. And the height of the triangle is 7 centimeters. It is given 7 centimeters. The height of the triangle is given 7 centimeters and we have to find the area of this shaded region. Now let us solve the first question. Area of the shaded part is equal to area of 4 quadrants. You can see here the given shape, square shape is given and the length of the side of the square is given 10 centimeters and this is a quadrant. Here you can see 4 quadrants are there. So we have to find the area of these 4 quadrants. Here the length of the square is given, length of the side of the square is given 10 centimeters. So the radius of the quadrant will be 5 centimeters. Radius is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is 5 centimeters. So area of the 4 quadrants is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 into pi r square square units. We know the area of a quadrant is 1/4 the area of a circle. Area of a quadrant is 1/4 the area of a circle. So here 4 quadrants are given. So you have to multiply 1/4 area of the circle by 4. It is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. Now let us simplify. 4 ones are 4 ones are. 3.14 into 5 into 5. It is equal to 3.14 into 25, which is equal to 78.5 centimeter square region. Now let us look into the second question. Find the area of the shaded part. Pi is equal to 3.14. Now in this question you can see here a semicircle is given. A semicircle is given and inside the semicircle you can see a triangle shape. Now this is the height of this triangle. The height of the triangle is also the radius of this semicircle because we know from center to any point on the circle is radius. So the radius of this semicircle is 7 centimeters. The radius of the semicircle is 7 centimeters. Now this is the base of the triangle, which is also the diameter of this semicircle. So the base of the triangle will be equal to the diameter of the semicircle. So the base of the triangle is 14 centimeters. 7 multiplied by 2, you will be getting 14 centimeters. So area of the shaded part is equal to area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle. First we have to find the area of this semicircle. Then we have to find the area of the triangle. Then from the area of the semicircle, you have to subtract the area of this triangle, which is equal to half into pi r square minus half into b into h square units. Here the base of the triangle is 14 centimeters and the height of the triangle is 7 centimeters. 14 centimeters is the base of the triangle. It is equal to half into 3.14 into 7 into 7 minus half into 14 into 7. You can see 14 is the base and 7 is the height of the triangle. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are 2 1.57s are gives 3.14. Here 2 ones are 2 sevens are. It is equal to 1.57 into 7 into 7 minus 7 into 7. If you multiply 1.57 into 7 into 7, you will be getting 76.93 minus 7 sevens are is 49. Now let us subtract. We will be getting 27.93 centimeter square. Thank you.